Welcome to everyone in our program Nayana Pathagami Rathayatra Festival 2020. The festival of Rathayatra is considered to be auspicious. Similarly, in our online celebration of this festival, today is extremely auspicious for it will witness the presence of a legend. Nondito today is honored to have with us the honorable and esteemed recipient of the Padma Shri Award, the renowned Manipuri dancer and an inspiring figure, our very own Padma Shri Guru Darshana Jhaveri. She has given us the opportunity to telecast an exclusive interview with her, and for that we are ever grateful. A warm and heartfelt welcome to you, Didi.
नमस्कार. I, Darshana Jhaveri, feel very happy today to be part of the Nayanapathagami, the Ratha Yatra Festival 2020, arranged by Nandito of Kuhalika Basu.
It is said that to shape a person's life, their roots play a vital role. Didi, kindly share with us how your roots, your birthplace, your family contributed in this successful journey of your life.
I feel extremely fortunate to have been born in the very cultured family in Bombay, where my parents were very encouraging to all we four sisters, known as Jhaveri sisters, Naina, Ranjana, Suvarna, and myself, Darshana, whom he encouraged throughout his life to take career of Manipuri dancing.
Your contribution to Manipuri dance is well known to everyone. Today, we would be honored if you shared the story of how you introduced yourself to the world of dance and the pivotal role of Guru Bipin Singh in shaping your art form.
In 40s, when I was born, it was the time of revivalism in India, where Mahatma Gandhi, he inspired the young generation to revive our ancient Indian culture, as well as Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He brought all art forms on a higher pedestal, where the good society girls and boys, they used to learn and perform dance. We were really very fortunate that in our house, our parents were very liberal, broad-minded, art-loving, and he gave us all opportunity to learn different forms of arts. In our house, my parents used to entertain artists, painters, writers, poets, musicians, dancers. So it was, the whole atmosphere was so lively and encouraging. Along with the parents, we had very good school, the New Era School, and the principal, Mr. M.T. Vyas, he was also educationist and very broad-minded, and he had friends like Rukmini Devi ji, Pandit Omkar Nath ji, Ravi Shankar Maharaj, the social worker, and many others. So in childhood, in the school also, we got that basic values in the house, of course, of all art forms, but in the school also, which is really very much necessary, that a child gets exposure of the higher level of art forms in the house as well as in the school. So our childhood, we were really fortunate to get this, and in those days also, when in 1943, when Guruji came to Bombay, we came in contact with him because he started composing the Manipuri portion in the dance dramas. And the Gujarati boys and girls, they used to also participate, and they used to go in those days to Shantiniketan to learn Manipuri and Kathakali. And then after coming back, they used to take part in these amateur level dance dramas. So at that time, my two elder sisters, Naina and Ranjana, they started performing in these dance dramas where Guruji used to direct the Manipuri portions. And our parents, they were encouraging. We all four sisters, first Naina and Ranjana, the elder two sisters, and then from 1947, the younger two sisters, Suvarna and myself, we emulated our elder sisters.
In this critical situation of pandemic, we are all homebound. Yet we have come up with a new way to pay our tributes to Lord Jagannath. Didi, what are your feelings about this initiative by Nandito of celebrating the Rath Yatra festival online?
I congratulate Nandito and particularly Kuhelika Basu for having arranged this great initiative, taking initiative for arranging this Rath Yatra festival 2020 Nayana Pathagamini in order to give tribute to Lord Jagannath. In this critical situation of pandemic, I really appreciate Kuhelika for taking so much efforts for inviting artists of Calcutta, Tripura and Manipur. And particularly I am really very happy that she has incorporated the artists of two main gharanas of Manipuri dance of Guru Maislam Amuli Singh and Guru Vipin Singh. I am really very happy and I appreciate that Kuhelika is so enthusiastic and is having very keen interest in Manipuri dancing and has been working for its promotion and propagation through different such festivals. I wish her all the best in future also, and I wish in this situation the safety of health and well-being to all the artists as well as all the people of the world. Naika Vedas. It is based on Shringar Ras out of 8 Naika Vedas. Here we will show you 2 Naikas, the states of heroine in love. Bashak, Radha is preparing bower to receive Lord Krishna. It is followed, Krishna doesn't come in time, so it is Utkanthita, she awaits for Lord Krishna. Naika Vedas.
마기드먹다 레이기 사자시네 링가루레 레이기 파레 마기드먹다 레이기 사자시네 링가루레 레이기 아할랑을 신부남 파랑파투네 아할랑을 신부남 파랑파투네 라피슈라고 본데 한제는 그마부국민 합상 합제라
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
I hope all of you have enjoyed this episode. We will be back tomorrow again with a new presentation and to meet you all. This is Kohelika Basu, your host for the evening, signing off now. Stay happy, stay safe, everyone.
राधे कृष्ण गोविंद कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद राधे 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 कृष्ण गोविंद कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद राधे 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 कृष्ण गोविंद कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद राधे 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 जय राधे राधे जय राधे राधे जय राधे 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 जय राधे 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 कृष्ण गोविंद कृष्ण कृष्ण गोविंद राधे